Hi, it's Friday. Join hubby and myself as we are playing a friendly little game of backgammon. So far he's won 2 games and this is the last game, but he's already won. So let's go. I think that's my first double six of the game. The safest one. Guys, it has been total winter up till, when was it? Wednesday. And from yesterday, we have been boiling. What was the temperature today? 30?
32.
It was 32 degrees. 32 degrees today. This man has been on fire for the last week or so. I don't get any more wings in. I'll show you our little scorebook. Oh my goodness! We got the double three. One, two, one, two. Double six, guys. It ends off with double six. I cannot win.
Thank you.
Check there. All of his wins the last couple of weeks. I don't know if you can see, but he's been winning a lot. You did not deserve that one.
Ik denk echt nog een been.
Me too. I was hoping.
Ik zie niet voor die camera gespeeld, dus zou je muziek gaan doen. Ik ben echt wel gezegd, ik geef je dat, ik geef je dat. Als je die kon benen.
Just look at this cute little backgammon set that I bought him with his initials and his star sign. And I got this on Journey leather maybe 3-4 years ago now, I'm not sure. I think it was in COVID. And I got it for him as a Father's Day gift, and ever since then, basically every second or third night we play backgammon. That's our little nightly ritual for the two of us. Okay, so the plan is I am going to do my hair now. I washed it yesterday and I had it in rollers. So I'm just going to put my curler through it now and then it's done. And then tomorrow I'll take you with me as we go to Cape Town tomorrow. So I'm getting ready for that. Getting the hair done. What's done is done. It does not need to be done tomorrow. And I can take the morning a little bit more at ease and not rush to get the hair done. So I'll take you with me now as I do my hair quickly. Going to watch on YouTube while I'm visiting this. I made Honey and myself a little snack platter. So salt and vinegar crisps, olives, some dried fish, some nougat and some tonics. And we are going to watch our current favorite, which is Queen of Tears. Right? So we'll be watching Friday night. Our plans for Friday night. Hi guys, it's Saturday and we are heading out now. We are on our way to Cape Town and we are going to see Rob Lake live in South Africa. I think it's his first show in South Africa and the first show in Cape Town. So, but let me just show you quickly how pretty my roses are, my bunksias. And then I'm gonna get in the car and we are on our way. So we're in the car now and I'm testing my new little tool that I showed you last week in my stats video. The boy is angry. I'm not sure why. Why are you angry? Do you want to tell the people? Because I don't want to go. You don't want to go to Cape Town.
You don't want to go see the magic show.
Even if you're gonna do something fun, you don't want to go.
Can't be quick, my boy.
The most impossible circumstances and conditions where magic would be.
So we ended up at this restaurant and I actually thought we went to Ocean Basket. Maybe it's not Ocean Basket, but I love the decor. Check out this wallpaper here at the top. And then the menu, it's also not bad, but I'm not sure what I'm going to get because they've got wheat-free pizza, so that sounds yum. And then the other items on the menu also sounds delicious. The teriyaki beef bowl sounds quite nice. And then, like I said, I'm tempted by a pizza because you don't get places that have wheat-free pizzas that often. So I think it's between those two, but I'll have a look now and decide. I've decided. I think I'm going to have the puttanesca pizza. It's got anchovies, olives, capers and parsley on it. I don't like parsley, so I'll take it without the parsley. And then you, my love? That's the pork belly.
Pork belly, rolled pork belly.
Rolled pork belly. I took the pizza. Daughter took the beef burger and barbecue. And my son took the toasted chicken mayo, but it had a fancy name. What's that at the bottom?
Mesh.
Bon appetit.